Get litty.
Hey.
It's just chicken tenders, but if you can get it to her, I'd appreciate it.
Alright.
Gotta have it by 5:30, so be careful.
I love you.
Careful.
Alright, so what's up, YouTube? Sorry I've been gone for a little while. I've been gone for a little while, but I think I finally got my mic to cooperate with me. So right now I've got to go drop my little sister off some chicken tenders. She's got a play at school going on, and I just gotta run her some food real quick. But yeah, sorry I've been gone. I was in Charlotte for a little while for training. As some of you know, I'm a mechanic, and then just life happened. You know, the weather hasn't been cooperating at all. You know, it's been actually really crappy, rainy, cold. But my brother's moped got stolen, so I've been having to wake up at 4:30 in the morning to go get him from work. So I just haven't had any time, energy, or anything to moto vlog, and the mic was really bothering me. I don't know why it was crackling, popping, and what other else crap it was doing, but it's in the big part of my book bag. Make sure you zip it up, please. The big part. Yep. Yep. Make sure you zip it up all the way, please. So yeah, I'm gonna run down to Georgetown, and right through there it's about it's a 60-mile-an-hour zone, so we'll see how the mic holds up around that speed as well. And I'm gonna go down to the vape store, get some vape juice, and just enjoy the ride. Man, I got a long sleeve shirt on, but I think it's like right around 50 degrees right now. And my jacket, but still, man, it is cold. I should have probably put one of my thermals on. Cannot wait for summer. We only got here in South Carolina maybe another month left of cool weather, and then it starts to heat up quite a bit, so that'll be lovely. Look at that house, bro. That thing is gorgeous, man. Blessed. Ooh, hello, bird. Hopefully y'all can hear me. That was a good little pull to see how the mic is doing. Right now it's about 76 miles an hour, so yeah, I hope you guys can hear me right now. But shout out to Suburban Delinquent for putting my sticker on his bike. That's pretty dope. I come to the one here in Georgetown, the E6 of Charleston, just because they have a, you know, better selection, better flavors, in my opinion, than the one that we only have in Pawleys. So, because Pawleys is boring and we don't have anything. I swear to God, it's a retirement community. A bunch of old people that can't drive. We got that. Oh, excuse me, and we're just now getting a Dairy Queen. We have a McDonald's and like no Wendy's, no Chick-fil-A, no nothing. All that's about 10-15 minutes away. We ain't got nothing. Man, my tires first feel stupid weird, man. Ooh, that's a high spot. I'm a short. Ooh, shit. That rock almost made me bust my. I ain't never dropped her yet, knock on wood. I ain't starting today. Let's go, green light, baby. I gotta wipe this thing down with like some anti-fog stuff. Nah. I'll go to the one over there. Man, that's expensive. Why is it so much cheaper in Myrtle Beach? It's under $2 in Myrtle Beach. Why is it 30 cents higher here? That's ridiculous. Shout out to my wife for helping me fix the audio, by the way. We went to Hobby Lobby and or not Hobby Lobby, Michael's, but whatever, it's the same thing. But got some of this first stuff and put that over the dead cat piece, and it seemed to help a lot, tremendously. There was no more popping noise whenever I tried it the other day. Like I said, it only popped twice, and that was whenever I was saying certain words. And hopefully, you know, it's not doing that now. Fill you up to the tip, baby. Oh yeah? Fill you up to the tip. Weird. Oh my god, my nipples are so hard. It's yeah, he's a cool cat. What's up, homie? I find myself still being silent sometimes just because I'm not used to talking, but I mean, it's not like he can hear me anyways, but he liked the bike. Yeah, that's what's up, yeah. That's what's up. That's the homie right there. Yeah, dude, he found me already. That's what's up. That's What up, bro? How you doing? Hey, I appreciate the follow, bro. That's dope, man. What's your name? Skyler. Skyler, that's what's up. Hey, what's your name? Courtney, hey, how you doing? That's dope. I don't mean to. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, hopefully, this summer she'll be looking a little different, do some more stuff to her, so, yeah, that'll be dope. I want to get new fairings and stuff like that, and put a steering stabilizer on it, tune it, and do some other things to it. So yeah, it'll be dope. Yeah, man. So that didn't mean to follow you, but I definitely had to get, you know, say what's up. Yeah, that's me. Yeah. Yep, that's what's up, bro. I appreciate that, man. And I'm recording, so you're gonna definitely be in the video, bro. That's dope. I appreciate it, man. Look out for it, alright? Sorry I didn't have any. I usually got stickers, but I forgot them today. So, but if I see you again, I'll definitely make sure I got one on me, bro. Have a good one. It was Skylar, right? Have a good one, bub. Alright, talking to people is really weird. I gotta get better at that. But yo, he's a cool cat, bro. That was cool. He's a cool cat. I didn't mean to follow him, but yeah, I just definitely that was cool. I'm so glad that I got this R1 Rider sticker on the side, and I got Risky Girl up here. Shout out to her. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I'm probably going to throw up some footage of me getting pulled over on the R6 from way back in the day. I think it was my first time ever being pulled over on my bike. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. And again, I really hope the audio is fixed. You know, and if it is, then awesome. Stay tuned for way more videos, way more moto vlogs, because when it wasn't working and it had that popping noise, I was just not feeling it. I just did not want to ride. The weather was crap anyways, so I just kind of got unmotivated. But if it's working, I'm back. So stay tuned, and I'll see y'all later. I'm getting pulled over. I think I didn't slow down in the 45. Hang on. Hey buddy, how you doing?
You have your driver's license and your registration?
Yes sir, I do. It's my backpack. I don't have any weapons.
Alright, go ahead and dig it out for me.
Alright. Hey, I noticed that it slowed down to 45 right there, huh?
Yeah, and you kept doing 66.
Yeah, I'm trying to just get home before the rain. It looks like it's going to be bad.
Sorry sir, I can't let you do that past me like that.
No sir, yes sir, I understand. Yes sir.
Else back here, so.
You've had a busy day today, sir?
No sir, I just got on.
Okay. Alright, let's see.
You have your registration with it?
Yes sir.
Go ahead and get your registration with it and then hand it to me.
Okay. I believe that is the current, and here's my license, sir.
Okay, Mr.
Sir.
You live up this way. You
Yes.
know it's 45 through here.
Yeah, it slows down right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Especially right after you pass me. Why do you continue it?
I wasn't thinking to be honest. I was talking to my wife on the phone too. She was just checking on where I'm at. Actually,
I'll be right back with you.
Yes, sir. Here he comes. He got a ticket.
Mr. Picard,
Yes, sir.
license registration back.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Picard, right now I have charged you with speeding. However, I only charge you with 54 in the 45.
Okay.
All right, you don't have to sign
Awesome.
anything. All right. Ticket has to be paid by the 5th of June at the courthouse on Cleveland Street in Georgetown.
Okay.
If you wish, you can go back here on number 3. You can go to that address right there online. You can pay it online. It'll ask you for a ticket number. It's going to be that whole number down there at the bottom.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any questions on why I stopped you this evening, sir?
No, I just hope you have a blessed night, man. Just stay safe.
Well,
my
I
dad's
understand.
a cop, so.
All right. Well, I'm sorry about that, but I mean, in the 55,
Yeah.
All right, I ain't gonna bother you.
I understand.
Okay.
Yeah. And it was just my wife was talking to me.
Right.
And we're trying to buy
Blame
a
it on the
house.
wife.